Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Geometry Dash on Steam, updated. Launch Steam, install Geometry Dash, and sign into your account. Calibrate your input by using the game menu controls and test jump timing in practice mode. Lower graphics if you notice lag and bind jump to a comfortable key or controller button for consistent response. Practice one level section at a time and use practice checkpoints to master tricky sequences. In this video, I will show how to play Geometry Dash on Steam, updated. Open the Options menu and choose your preferred input device, keyboard or controller, and test responsiveness. Turn off unnecessary background apps to reduce input lag and set display mode to full screen for consistent timing. Use practice mode to place checkpoints and repeat difficult segments until muscle memory forms. Gradually increase speed and difficulty as your control improves. In this video, I will show how to play Geometry Dash on Steam, updated. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that actually makes driving to practice sessions nicer. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play Geometry Dash on Steam, updated. Start each level by watching patterns and listening for musical cues that signal jumps. Memorize sequences by practicing short runs and use checkpoints to refine reaction timing. Respect portal changes and icon effects because they alter gravity or speed, which requires different timing. Stay patient, avoid rushing, and record replays to spot consistent mistakes you can fix with targeted practice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.